Hi guys, and welcome to a new guitar tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to play a classic rock song. It's Breaking the Law by Judas Priest. It's a really easy riff to play where we're going to use only the 5th and the 6th string. We're not going to play any chords, only that nice melody. The guitar is tuned in standard tuning, so you just need to take your guitar and let's begin. To play the riff of this song, we're not going to use chords. Instead, we're going to play a melody using the 5th and the 6th string. So this is pretty easy. And we start playing only the 5th string open. And then with the 2nd finger, we come to the 2nd fret of the same string, the 5th string. And then with the ring finger, we come to the 3rd fret of the same string. So it becomes like this. 0, 2, 3. Okay? And those 3 notes, 0, 2, 3, you are going to play them 3 times. But you have to take care which rhythm we're going to use. So listen to it and try to imitate the rhythm. Okay, so I just played 3 times, 0, 2, 3. It's the rhythm, the thing that it's not exactly the same, the 3 times. Listen to that again. I'll show you one more time. Okay, if you look at the end of the first bar and then in the 2nd bar, we have a line under 2 numbers. You see we have 2 number 2s and 2 number 3s with a line under. That's just a tie. It means that those 2 numbers that are tied, they become 1. So you have to play only ones there. I'll show you again. Bars 1 and 2. Let's try together now. 1, 2, 3, and. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and. Perfect. Then we come with the 1st finger on the 1st fret 6th string. Then 3rd finger 3rd fret of the same string. And now the 5th string open. Okay, you get it? And this melody with 1, 3 and 5th string open, we are going to play this 2 times with the same rhythm that we did in the beginning, like this. Okay, let's try together. Bars 3 and half of the 4th bar. 1, 2, 3, and. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and. Now we're going to put together bars 1, 2, 3 and half of the 4th bar. I show you one time and then we try together. Okay? Now let's try together. 1, 2, 3, and. Nice. Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and. Perfect. And to end the riff on the 4th bar, we are going to play the 3rd fret with on the 6th string using the ring finger. Then we move the finger to the same fret of the 5th string and 2nd fret of the 5th string. So those 3 last notes sound like this. Okay, so when we put together the bars 3 and 4, it sounds like this. Show you one more time. Now let's try together bars 3 and 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Perfect. So now we're going to put together the bars 1, 2, 3, and 4, and there we have the whole riff of the song. I'll show you once and then we try together. Now let's try together. 1, 2, 3, and... And what we have to do is just keep repeating this. So now let's try again and we play it 2 times. 1, 2, 3, and... And repeat. And that was Breaking the Law. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you want to be updated with my upcoming videos. And if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. You can also follow me on Twitter, Facebook or Instagram. And you can always visit my website, EasyGuitarTube.com, where you're going to find all my tutorials and their tabs. Thanks for watching this video and I see you in the next one.